What's going on today, you guys? It's been a hot minute, but you know, we're gonna try and jump into this, and hopefully 2021 is gonna be a better year, so we might as well start now. This is gonna be the new Broke Boys garage. She's pretty trashed right now, but that's what this video is gonna be about, jumping back into it. We're gonna clean this place up, and we're gonna make a new shop, and hopefully a new place to film some videos over the winter, and get back into 2021 in full stride. So, hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy us cleaning this place up. Alright, so we're going to start by cleaning this workbench up. And I got our little heater set up, got the Hortons on tap. And yeah, just going to clean this up. Give us a nice spot to work on things and have a nice workbench. It's a pretty nice old workbench. It's my grandpa's old workbench, so it'd be nice to finally have this cleaned off. It's been neglected for a couple of years now. So let's just get right to it, set up the time lapse, and get this nice workbench cleaned off. So, we got the workbench cleaned off at least, but took way longer than we anticipated. Also moved some other stuff around, but you know, pretty cold out here. Kind of giving up for the day already. It's already been like 2 or 3 hours just putting into this workbench. Other things we did today too is we yanked the battery out of the Grand Prix real quick, and we're gonna put that on the tender for the winter since I don't think that thing's going anywhere. So, other than that, we're gonna pick this back up tomorrow, so stay tuned. Alright, day 2, we're back at it. We're gonna start by cleaning up this grimy ass toolbox. You guys are gonna see a quick montage of too. And keep filling this garage up so we can start working on something. I think we're gonna start with the pit bike after all this. So stay tuned for that video. So let's get back to it. Day 2. You guys seen the new heater we got too? We're gonna stay warm this time. As you can see, no coat on. It's pretty mint. Anyways, let's get back to it. This toolbox is pretty gnarly. Alright, so we got this whole corner cleaned up. Gotta tidy up a little bit too before we leave, but no big deal. Got our new toolbox in, nice and full of tools and organized. And got the Apollo set up because you guys are gonna see that in the next video. We're gonna start working on this thing, try and dress it up a little bit, make it a little bit cooler. So definitely stick around for that. Anyways, you know, we're back at it. Hope this video wasn't too boring, but stay tuned for more content and hopefully we can get back to those banging videos. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.